Hi friends, Rebecca here from Unmistakably You. It's been a quick minute since we did a little tour of the studio, and we hear over and over again at events, oh my gosh, I never knew this was here. From the outside of the building, you're going to see a historic factory, but when you come in, there's a whole different vibe inside. Let's go check it out. So you're gonna come in, you're gonna head down the hallway. When you get down the couple stairs here, you're gonna see our coat rack is here waiting for you. Leave your coats, leave anything extra, and come on in. We have our updated welcome sign and florals ready to show you where to go. And as you head in, the first thing you're gonna see is directly in front of me here is our welcome wall. Today, I've just got some different photos and photo books up here of the work we do, but you can use this space any way you would like. It's a great spot for favors from your elopement or your bridal shower. It's a great place to be able to display signs or photos or anything you like. We also have these custom florals up here that we can add your special color to for a minimal fee. When you turn to the right of that view, you're gonna find our kitchenette. This cute little kitchenette is here ready for any prep work you might need to do, or if you've booked with us to have our hot beverage station or a infused water station, you might find them set up here. If we slowly turn back around here, we'll see there's the door we came in, and on the other side, we have our living room space. This is where we meet with most of our clients. So if you've come in to meet with us, you've probably sat here. This light, bright, cute space also makes a great getting ready spot with curtains to be able to fully close the space off and hide from your guests as you get ready for your elopement or intimate wedding. It also is a great quiet space for other events here if you have guests who might want to have a quiet conversation or get easily overwhelmed in large groups. As we continue on, the next doorway next to our welcome wall brings you into our office. This space is often set up in different ways. This can be a cash bar area if we are doing that for you, or all of the desks and tables can be rearranged to make an L shape, covered in black linens, and this is often the buffet line for any event that's serving food. From here, we head through the doorway into the main studio space. As we come in here, you're gonna find a beautiful, neutral decorated space, pretty enough just as it is, but neutral enough for you to be able to put your own mark on it. Two of our walls are covered in windows, adding extra light to the space. But we also do have the curtains here that if you prefer to close those off, you're absolutely welcome to. We're currently set up from an elopement that we had here earlier, and you'll see our backdrop is currently set to the white side. We have multiple options for backdrop that's included in your studio rental or event, including this white romantic, a black boho, as well as custom options like a fairy lit chiffon backdrop. All of your tables and chairs are included, from these folding black chairs to our tall cruiser tables with your choice of linen colors, and our 6-foot standard banquet tables, which are not set up today, that can be set up in this space. As we go around, we also have plenty of counter space from this built-in unit to our cubby, another great spot to be able to set up a beverage station. And coming around to one of the things that, while not essential to a space, is quite handy to have, our lovely washroom. Spacious and accessible for anything you and your guests might need during your event. One of the things I love about hosting events here is it is cute and comfy. It comes with one of our coordinators on site to help with any questions you have, and you can do it as DIY or done for you as you would like. Want to do it all yourself? We'll clean the place, open the doors, and let you in to do your own decorating and setup. Feeling a little overwhelmed with your event? Not a problem. We've got you everything from decor to food and drink. We can take care of all of that for you. You let us know what your vision is and we'll help you make it come true. Reach out anytime if you want to book a studio tour and consultation to talk about your next event here at the studio. Rebecca at unmistakably you.com. Talk to you soon.